Enabling two-factor authentication 2FA on your Baseten account adds an extra layer of security. Follow these steps to set it up easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Baseten website and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard under your profile icon. Step 3. Find security settings. In the account settings menu, look for the security settings option. Click on it to access the 2FA setup. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Follow the setup instructions. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. This may involve scanning a QR code with your Authentication app or entering a verification code sent to your phone. Now you have successfully enabled two-factor authentication on your Baseten account. This will help keep your account secure from unauthorized access.